This is a COMSOL Multiphysics Model. It's a multiphysics container that simulates how different forces like heat, fluid flow, and electromagnetism interact in a single system. It doesn't just store a 3D shape, it stores the actual math used to predict how that shape behaves in the real world. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run the study. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange MPH formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. An MPH file is the primary project format for COMSOL Multiphysics, a high-end simulation suite designed to solve complex, coupled partial differential equations. The format acts as a comprehensive archive that stores the entire model tree, including the geometry, material properties, and the mathematical mesh used for calculations. Depending on the save settings, an MPH file can also encapsulate the solution, which contains the massive data sets generated after a simulation run has been completed. The architecture of an MPH file follows a hierarchical, object-oriented structure that enforces a strict solvability constraint to ensure data integrity. A core rule of the format is that a file cannot be saved in a solved state unless the physics parameters and mesh are perfectly synchronized with the data in the solution nodes. To balance accessibility with performance, the format uses a hybrid binary-XML structure. The logical model instructions are stored in indexable text, while high-density numerical data, such as finite element meshes and multidimensional arrays, are kept in compressed binary blocks. The software default for the MPH file type is the solution provided by COMSOL AB's COMSOL Multiphysics. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows gives a basic description, but understanding the stored data requires compatible tools. Your reliable first step is the Open With action. Right-click the MPH file and select Open With. If COMSOL Multiphysics is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the application that works. If your MPH file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If your MPH file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, check Solved versus Compact. If your file is 2 MB, it's a compact file, settings only. If it's 2 GB, it's a solved file, includes results. If you send a compact file to a colleague, they will have to rerun the entire simulation to see the results. Next, watch for version trap. COMSOL is generally not backward compatible. An MPH file saved in COMSOL 6.3 cannot be opened in COMSOL 6.0. Always check the version of the software used by your team before sharing files. Finally, recovery mode. If COMSOL crashes during a 3-day simulation, look for the recovery files window when you restart. COMSOL often saves snapshot MPH files in a temporary folder that can be used to resume the study. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.